Pink.
6.
Gout.
Blasto.
Lumpy.
And now, the 6 tired histology students of Feinberg Medical School in their rendition of the Cell ID Tango.
Pink.
6.
Gout.
Blasto.
Lumpy.
Pink.
6.
Gout.
Blasto.
Lumpy.
Couldn't ID it? Couldn't ID it? I can't remember this at all. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have guessed the same.
Pink.
6.
Gout.
Blasto.
Lumpy.
Pink.
6.
Gout.
Blasto.
Lumpy.
You know how some slides just have a stain that gets you down? Like H&E. Things should be stained blue or red, but no. I just see pink. So I came to the microscope one day, and I'm hoping that this will be easy. But there's an H&E stain lying on the slide, looking maybe a bit purple? No, not purple, pink. So I say, I have no idea what these cells are. Cartilage? Blood cells? Epithelium? Well, apparently it was a glioblastoma, a brain tumor, right from the head.
I was told amyloid builds up in the brains of people with Alzheimer's. So I thought, okay, if I see amyloid, it means Alzheimer's. But then I found out, just Alzheimer's they told me? Alzheimer's my ass. Not only is amyloid in Alzheimer's, oh no, it can be in 6 other organs. Kidney, blood vessels, skin, spleen, liver, and nerves. So anyways, I stayed a slide with Congo Red, as usual. You know, some slides just can't hold their apple green fire fridge.
Now I'm standing in my lab, preparing my arthrocentesis, minding my own business, when in bursts my resident in a frenzy. She's got gout in her knee, he says, which is crazy, because I know pseudo-gout is more likely in the knee and in a woman. But when I looked into that slide, what do you know? Needle-shaped crystals yellow under parallel light.
If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same.
Eosinophilic, lymphohistiocytic, hyperkeratotic nodules, with coilocytosis, fibrinoid necrosis, and infundibular spongiosis, and the stratum spinosum with lichenoid reaction and leukocytoclasia, with adjacent perivesicular atrophy surrounded by myxomatous depositions in the epidermis, with diffuse epidermolytic dyskeratosis and segmental hyaline arteriosclerosis?
Yeah, but did you ID it?
Not at all.
I've seen my share of nodules and cavitations on chest x-ray, so when I came across a case of a patient with shortness of breath, chest pain, and cough, I knew it could be anything from lung cancer to sarcoidosis. So of course, the next step was to check the histology. When I saw the best granulomas I'd ever seen, I immediately called it as sarcoid. And the patient had skin changes too. But then I came back to find the patient had osteomyelitis and was from the Ohio River Valley, a sneaky case of blastomycosis. It wasn't until later, when I was washing the stain off my hand, I even saw the broad-based budding yeast.
I had it coming, I had it coming, just one big granule. It could be TB, is that necrosis? I bet you'd have ID'd the same. Just couldn't see it, could not ID it. I missed so many little songs. I called it sarcoid instead of blasto. Clarity told me that I was wrong.
I loved the renal module more than I can possibly say. You know, the kidney is the most important organ in the body, and then the other kidney. But I just kept on getting confused on all of the glomerular histology. But one day a kid walks in with proteinuria and edema, and I think to myself, this must be minimal change disease, since that's what's most common. And I swear on electron microscopy, I saw podocyte effacement, so I was thinking I had this down. But then on immunofluorescent, green squiggly lines everywhere. You could call it lumpy bumpy. I guess I was wrong because of histologic differences. I saw it as MCD, but it was PSGN.
My brain is numb, 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 numb. My brain is numb, 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 numb. I couldn't see it. I couldn't see it. I haven't studied this at all. I didn't know it, but if I studied, you still have told me that I was wrong. I can't think cells now. I can't think cells now. There's only so much artifact. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you'd have indeed the same.
Pink.
6.
Gout.
Uh-uh.
Blasto.
Lumpy.